Namaste, Vanakkam and Hare Krishna. Welcome to Conscious Cooking with me, Anuradha. This morning we're going to be making a dreamy, indulgent Indian milkshake called Bombay Crush. So to begin, we start by making our faluda or our jelly, which is made with about 3/4 of a cup of water and about 2 good teaspoons of this China grass powder, and we need to give that a little bit of a stir so that there's no lumps. So I'm just going to whisk this very quickly before I turn on the flame, because we don't want any lumps in our faluda. And we're going to leave this on for about 5 minutes. But there's one other thing that I add in my faluda jelly. A lot of people don't do this, but this is what's going to give it a little bit more color when we put it into our milkshake, and a little bit more flavor, and that's some elaichi syrup. Very little, because you just want a hue, a pink hue to your faluda. And now we're going to let it boil and simmer for about 5 minutes, and after it's done that, we're going to let it set, which will take like another 10 minutes. And I have some that's already been made and set, and this is actually what it looks like, a really hard jelly. Right, so we're going to be grating this, but before we get there, there's something else we need to do, and that is to soak our sabji seeds. As I said, we'll use about 1 liter of milk. We're going to add in ice cream, as thick as you like it. And of course, the flavorant that actually gives the faluda or the Bombay Crush that distinctive taste is elaichi syrup. Okay, I think we got our portions just spot on, because the color looks exactly like what we're looking for. So we'll add in sabji seeds and some of this grated faluda jelly and give it a good stir. And we will finish it off with a nice dollop of extra ice cream on the top. Just a grating of some faluda and some almonds. And there you have a nice, indulgent, rich, decadent faluda milkshake.
We see betrayal happening in our own lives every day, don't we? Stay tuned to our Ramayan series, where Lokeshji discusses the incident in which Manthara corrupts Queen Kaikai and instigates her against Sri Ram. Right now though, to balance betrayal, we join Kugan and the yoga asanas on Yoga for Wellness.